Mr. Harold? It's me. Can I come in?
You? Rose, a wet human is standing on our porch.
Sorry to bother you. I got caught in the rain.
You are caught? Like a fish?
Harold, let the poor man inside.
But Rose, we don't know this wet person.
He's soaking wet. That's enough reason.
What if he is a weather criminal?
A what?
I have a theory. He is a SPY for the clouds. I'm
Not a spy?
That is exactly what a cloud spy says.
Not a spy?
That is exactly what a cloud spy says.
Harold, the word is caught in the rain. It means the rain.
Rain surprised him.
Ah.
Tommy, it's pouring rain outside. You can't possibly drive in this.
Really?
Where were you headed, dear?
I was moving boxes to the house next door, number 14.
Oh, you're our new neighbor.
That is also what a cloud spy would say.
Harold, he is moving in next door. He needs shelter.
I will give you dry and hot and also clean floor.
You really don't have
No, no, no. You are our guest. Unexpected, but welcome. Yes, you are our unexpected guest. Like a good surprise sandwich.
Wait, are you Harold? Harold from Ohio?
I am Harold from Ohio, yes.
I'm Tommy. Tommy Park. You wrote me letters in 1987. Your pen-pid's son.
Rose, the rain sent us a gift. Now I have a question for you. What do you think Harold does next? Before you press play, you must guess. Comment below.
And don't forget to bring your umbrella.
Or don't. Maybe rain sends you gift too.